So I wanted to share what I've learned about the hidden wiring harness for the AC that goes along with the base models for the D21. All you guys already know that the base models came with no AC, and say you got all your components all hooked up, your compressor, your blower motor, your condenser, and all that. You got all that hooked up, but trying to figure out what to do about the wiring harness, it can be frustrating and confusing. Um, but the base models came do come with the wiring harness. It's just hidden or tucked away in this area. You just gotta, unearth it, uncover it, and you'll have a lone harness specifically for that relay. It'll be, that you can mount in that area, that right there. As far as the harness underneath the hood, that's all you'll need, and it's already there. Again, you just got to uncover it, but you'll also need this relay over here. For the base models, they come stock with just these two relays, and this slot is empty. So other than the relay that you have to uncover underneath the hood, this is the only other relay you'll need to be able to run your AC. But on this particular model, this is the it falls along that halfway point. I guess they called it the 86.5. This particular model, I had to do some even more research because it didn't have that hidden wiring harness underneath the hood. It's just not there. So after researching some more, I found at least one or two articles talking about this specific model. And apparently, it doesn't need that the hidden wiring harness that's underneath, that should be underneath the hood, or would be. It's not there because it doesn't need it. It only needs this one. For whatever reason, it's built and designed that way. But I'm gonna turn this on just so you can see that it does power on. The power button's off right now, but now it's on. You should see that once I flip this to any of these numbers, you should see this the power button light up, and the blower motor does work. I'm sure you can hear that. So as far as this version goes, I'm pretty much lucked out that I don't have to deal with that harness over there for the relay for the AC. But so theoretically, all I should have to do now is evacuate the system and add the Freon, and it should be good to go. And hopefully, this will help you out. And having explained this, hopefully I explained this in a way that makes sense, because I sometimes have a habit of being a little vague and not going through all those little finer details. But again, hopefully this will help, and see ya.